Hello everybody, loving gamers here back again, and today I'm going to show you another game concept of mine. It's an old game which I've created before, and I want to show you exactly how was the concept. So the game was created on a piece of paper. As you can see here, we can see the levels. We have a start position, an end position, and the 24 moves. So the game name is 24 moves and is created in C++. Let's see the game game folder and what the game contains and how is the game. So as we can see, inside the game folder we have an executable, we have the save where we can apply save, and the difficulty we can save it on a binary file. So if we're going to try to open this, you can see that this is a binary file, and also we have the levels. So we have only 10 levels implemented, and we also can add new levels inside the game. So this is really cool. I'm opening the game and we can see here the interface. Also here is the CMD, the command prompt from Windows, and we can also change the format from here. We can change the size of this formula. Also we can change the font if you want. I prefer consoles, for instance, or other fonts here. We can also check here for bold fonts. We also can change the layout colors of the formula if you want. Also the terminal and other things from this menu. So as you can see right now, I've changed the size a little bit because I've changed the font, but I don't really like this font. Let's change the size, and I'll change again the size because I want you to see the game exactly. I think it's too much. Let me change the size back to 28, and right now it's like perfect. So if I'm going to move up and down, or I'm going to press S, L, D, A, I, or X key, we can select one of these menu. So this game is really simple to use in the menu. So let's first go into the info, and if we enter on the info, we simply select an option and press enter. We simply press enter to access one info here, and as we can see, we have the menu information. So S will start the game, L will load the saved game, D will set the difficulty of the game, add will this option will allow you to add levels. I it's game information, and X is for leaving the game or exiting the game. You can simply exit from here if you don't want to press this key. So, game info. To complete the level, 24 correct moves must be made. You will start from S, making 24 moves until you get to F. So you start from S until you get to F in order to complete the full level. Filling all the rectangles with an arrow depending on the direction. You must pass through each digit when it appears to its value. And here is an example. If you show up 5, you will get through 5 on the same fifth move. So pluses represent the number of lives. Each mistake will take 1 life. It's very simple. And we have here, don't forget to save each level by pressing the key space, and also reset if you make a mistake using R key. To finish the game, it will necessary to go through those 10 levels. Okay, so we have the information about the games. We also can enter on D and choose an difficulty. So we have 1, 2, 3 is easy, normal, or hard. So if we're gonna press here 1, we choose the difficulty easy. Let me see. Okay, you can also press U for change the difficulty, but let's go with normal difficulty. Okay, if you're gonna press L, the load, we can see that I already passed all the levels. and we can actually choose a level to load. So when I'm pressing here 1, it says that there are no saved level. Let me try again. Oh, I think the level 1 is already loaded. That's why we have that message over there, because it was loaded level. Right now you can see that there are no saved level when you press 1, but if you're gonna press 2, we can see that level 2 is loaded. If you're gonna press L again and 1, we can see the same message, there are no saved levels. So it means that 1 is the first level and we don't actually have to save it. But if you're gonna choose 3, for instance, we can see that it's simply loading the game because we already played the game. So we start the game. We can see that we have here level 1. I can see here a mini bug over here. This bar should be here. It's a bug. I should recompile and fix that. So we can see that we have S for start and F for the finish. So what we have to do, we have to move. We can also press H key here for more info. So we have, after we press H, we can see here press T or G for info keys or game. We're gonna press T. We can see the keys, and we can also see here everything we want. WSD to move, up, left, down, right, or air camera refresh reload. Okay, if you can press H again, and if you can press G for the game, I think it's G, we have info about the game. To complete the level, 24 correct moves must made. We already saw this message, I think, before, so we can start. So if you can press right, we can see that we move one place here to right, and if you can press right again, you can see that 1 life is taken here. It means that we done something wrong. So I'm going up, right? I have to complete all these spaces in order to finish the game, and right now I'm trying to finish the game. So as you can see, we completed all these spaces. We start from here and we done 24 moves, and we completed 1 level. I'm gonna press enter here. We can see here that we have another life, so it means that after completing 1 level correctly, you're gonna receive 1 life in case you did something wrong. So we have to start right here. We have the 6, so it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, up, up, left, right, right, down, and left. And we did the 7 move right here. If we're gonna do something here like moving right now into the left, we're gonna see that 1 health is taken. Also, we're gonna press R key. We can see that we reload the, without any problem, we reload the level. And right now, if you're gonna close the game, I think the game will be reset to 1. So we should save by pressing, we can see here, space key after we enter on the info menu. So we have to load back the level 2. Let's start from level 2. And we had 2 lives before. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and now we have to complete all the empty space in order to complete 1 level. So we're all level 3. Start, finish. 6 move, 12 move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's really simple right now. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So when we have the numbers, is even easier to complete the levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it starts to become a little bit harder. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But in time, so we have 12 here. We are on move 14, 13, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 19 right now, and 20 will be exactly when we go down. So we complete another level. We're on level 5. Let's see, the start is right here, the finish is right here, so we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think we should think a little bit on these levels, because you can do this. If you go and do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you actually won't be able to reach these positions, and you won't be able to complete the level, because you won't be able to get this and this um, empty space over here. So we are on 6. Let's try to do like this: 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It worked. But the problem is that you won't be able to reach the finish and end the game, because uh, we missed a place. And if you're gonna try to do like this right now, you can see that uh, you actually die. Okay, I recompiled the game and I fixed the menu. So as you can see, we have here the correct format, and right here the correct format. So we have these parentheses right here. Okay, so we are the level 4. So in order to complete the level 4, it's really simple. Start from here and we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. I think you already know this. It's 20 is okay. And level complete. We can continue to level 5. So if you're gonna press R, we're gonna reload the level. It's really simple. And also I've changed the difficulty here. So you see is E and age according to numbers. And also, okay, so I did some fast changes, and now the save is working properly, and also the load. So if you're gonna press the start, we can start from the last level, is level 10. So another thing which I want to tell you is that levels can be found here in left in LVL folder, sorry, and you can edit the levels by using the any edit application. So this is a level example here, and if you want to add a new level, you think a new level, want to add it, you can simply copy and paste here and rename it in the next level, then edit it and change it using Windows. Or you can simply go into the application and enter on the add menu, and here on the add menu we have an easy example and new level addition rules. We have some rules. So adding -1 means the first position, 24 means the last position or the finish. Adding 0 means a free place where a move must be made. Adding some digit in the range 1 to 23 means a pass through time. So it's really simple to create a matrix. We have here an example of a matrix level. So it's start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 19, and this is example of matrix. So we have here enter to continue. We have an example here. We're gonna press enter here. We're gonna see here something like, you have read the rules above, yes or no. So I'm gonna press 1, then level entry must not coincide with the other existing levels. Next will display the existing level. So we're gonna press any key. We also have here an example of the previous levels, so we can see, we can look here, and we can think about a new level. So the simplest way is to open paint. Simplest way to create a new level is to enter paint here, and you can simply think here, you can create here a structure like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5. And in this structure here in this matrix, we can simply um, use the pan, and we can simply um, pass through all these spaces. So a simple thing will be starting from, I know, random way here, and you're going to fill this, but you have to remember that you have to fill all the spaces here. And let's see, this is the finish, this is the start. So we have here -1, we have here 24, and if you want, you can do like 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can add numbers. Let's add here 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. And if you want to be like hard, you can write something like this: 12 20. I haven't done anything wrong here. Actually, here is this value, very numbered, and I can see here a little mistake. We have 1 2 3 4 lines, and here we have 5 lines, so we have to delete 1 line from here, and we'll choose the finish to be in this empty space. Okay, so it means that we have 13 14 15 16, and everything is okay right now. So this is an example how we can do the matrix looking on the paint. So we're gonna create here the level according to this paint over here. So we start from 0 0. So here is an empty space, so we can press here 0, and press here 5 is 0 1 5 2 3 4, you know. So empty space is here 0 0 0, and the second one we have 1 2 3. Then on the fourth one, fifth one, we're gonna press here the start. This is the fifth one, actually. This is the fourth one, sorry. Then we're gonna press here 0, and go for the next line. So we're gonna complete this with 0 because we don't have any numbers. On the fourth one, we're gonna write here this value, and then we're gonna write here 0 0 0, and right now we're gonna fifth 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4, and fifth one and last one I'm gonna write here 24. So as we can see here, we created another level. So I'm gonna do level here. We have level 11 is a new level added according to this picture. So in case you did do something wrong, you forget to add something correctly here, you can go and edit this. So here's some checkings: checking the coins, checking entering items. Yeah. I'm also checking if this level coins is exactly the same with the other levels. And we have here a message that saving of next file, so we save in this file over here. So the matrix should be exactly at this one here. As you can see, it's exactly the same. In case you done something wrong, you can edit this and you can change the levels. Really simple. Okay, so we are going to play on this level. Addition was successful. Okay, let me reopen the application. Okay, so we're gonna load the last level. Because we're on the last level, I'm gonna show you something new here. We're gonna continue. We're gonna pass this level because I want to show you the new added level. Sorry. Press R to restart. 9 10. Nice. And we are on level 11. So here, if you want to save this level, we can press the key for info. And as we can see here, in order to save a level, you see here, we have to press space. If you won't press space, then you won't be able to continue to the last level. So if I'm going to press right now space, this level will be saved. So I'm not going to do that, but you should do that, in order to save the current level. So we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're gonna remember the numbers. uh I think I remember it was something like this. Yeah, and voila, this is the next level. And after you finish the game, you're gonna see here an interesting end. It's an interesting animation. And yeah, that's all. We're gonna press escape and close the application. So right now, if we're gonna press load, we don't see the level 11 because we haven't saved it. So you have to save it on when you are on that level. So I'm gonna press the last level, and I'm gonna finish this level again because I want to save the next level. And right now I'm gonna press space, and as we can see here, press enter to continue and press enter. And we can see here a message level 11 have been saved. Continue the game. And I'm gonna press escape right now and press load. You can see that we have the last level here. So you have to save all the time after you pass a level in order to save it if you want to play it again. And yeah, this is really fun. I'm gonna exit right now. Let's choose here 11 first. Let's see if we on level 11. We are right there. So yeah, that's all we have here in info. And yeah, this is description game info. This is all about this game. It's really simple. You have here the save and the difficulty save. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you want to get this game, I'll upload it on here on my website. I think I'll do here an option for free games to play, free games to download, and if you guys want to play it, you can download from here, and you can also create new levels, and maybe you guys want new improvements. I also have here in the games, I have another game which is similar with this one, but I'm going to discuss about this one, and this one, these 3 games in next videos, so you guys will see the games, and if you want to play them, you can download them from free. So yeah, I'll post them also on this website so you can download them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as usually, have a nice day.